Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Reddit. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So Reddit is one of the best platforms for collaboration and also sharing ideas. And you can just create a free account. To do this, just head to any browser and search for it like this. And if I search it, here is the official Reddit website. Now to get started, just click on it. That is reddit.com. And here you can sign up or log in if you already have an account. So to sign up, just head to sign up. And here you can either use your email or continue with Google or Apple. I'll just continue with my Google mail. So I'll choose this mail and then confirm by clicking on continue here. And that is it. Now you'll have to create your username. For username, I'll create a unique one. So I'll create that and then continue. And I'm told this username is already taken. So let me try and separate with a lowercase and then click on continue. Here, select your gender. You can also refrain from this by just clicking on skip here. And here you are told to choose what interests you. So you can choose as many options as you want. So I'll choose career, finance, technology, as well as news. Choose as many as you want and then click on continue. You can now also customize your feeds by choosing what applies to you. So I'm interested in smartphones, PC building, personal finance, world news, technology here, science, and so many others. So I'll click on continue. Don't worry if you don't choose all that pertains to you. You can add this or you can search for your content and this will create your content or your feeds according to your likeness. So you can see here is my Reddit account is now active. You can now here search for anything. If you want just to find anything, you can search for it here. And now if you wish to post anything, you can just head to create here and this will allow you to create your post. Write your post by entering your title, and once you're done, now you can either save it as draft or post it. And before you post, you'll need to select a community that this post belongs. So to do that, make sure you go up here and choose a community that you'd wish. You can see the current communities that are here. You can also search for any community that you wish to redirect this post. Once you choose your community, now it will be selected and now you can make your post here. So I'll submit without editing and that is it. So that's how you can get started with Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.